The elastic and inelastic collisions apparatus is a large apparatus to study elastic and inelastic collisions. It consists of a large frame carrying two beams from which 2 rows of 6 and 2 wooden balls, respectively, are suspended from pairs of strings. The instrument was often used with 2 elastic balls of ivory or inelastic balls of wet clay, of equal or different mass. By changing the parameters of the experiment, such as height of fall and mass, one could conduct a systematic investigation of collision-related phenomena. For example, when a row of balls is struck by one of the outermost balls, the row of balls remains motionless and the impulse is fully transmitted to the ball at the opposite end, which rebounds. As it falls back, the cycle continues in the opposite direction. This apparatus was illustrated by Jean-Antoine Nollet in Leçons de physique expérimentale Paris, 1743–1748. In his description, Nollet claims to have merely altered and developed a model previously used by Ed Marriott. The most sophisticated devices for studying elastic and inelastic collisions were built by Willem Jacobs Gravesand and Petrus van Muschenbroek. The instrument is held in the Lorraine collections of the Museo Galileo in Florence.